The last piece of critical information that scientists have to use to study hurricanes are what we call numerical simulations. These are supercomputer simulations of hurricanes in mathematical space. We use the laws of fluid dynamics and thermodynamics. We hatch an entire storm from birth to death. We run controlled experiments. We change aspects of the environment, such as the amount of wind shear, or the amount of Saharan dust, or the temperatures of the ocean surface. We, in essence, tinker around with the storm and play God to try to understand what the sensitivity of the storm is to its environment.